Hey there, fellow home gardeners. Ever dreamed of growing your own onions and peppers without spending a fortune? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to start your very own vegetable garden right at home and do it on a budget. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk seeds. You don't need to buy those fancy pre-packaged seeds from the store. Instead, save seeds from the vegetables you already have in your kitchen. For onions, look for those that have sprouted a bit. Simply cut off the sprouted part with about an inch of the onion attached, and let it dry for a day or two. Then plant it in your garden. Easy, right? Now for peppers. Just scoop out the seeds from a fresh pepper, spread them out on a paper towel and let them dry for a few days. Once they're dry, they're ready for planting. Simple and cost-effective. Next, let's talk soil. You don't need to buy expensive bags of potting soil. Instead, make your own compost. Gather kitchen scraps like vegetable peelings, coffee grounds, and eggshells. Mix them with yard waste such as leaves and grass clippings. Over time, this mix will break down into nutrient-rich compost, perfect for your vegetable garden. Alright, now that you've got your seeds and soil sorted, let's move on to containers. You don't need to buy fancy pots. Look around your home for items you can repurpose. Old buckets, milk jugs, or even large yogurt containers can make great plant pots. Just make sure to poke a few holes in the bottom for drainage. When it comes to planting, remember that onions and peppers love the sun. Find a sunny spot in your garden or on your balcony where they can soak up at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. Plant your onion bulbs about 2 inches deep and 4 inches apart. For peppers, plant the seeds about a 1/4 inch deep and keep the soil moist. Watering is crucial. Make sure the soil stays consistently moist but not waterlogged. A good tip is to water your plants in the early morning or late afternoon to reduce evaporation. This way your plants get the most out of the water you give them. Now let's talk about a simple and affordable way to protect your plants from pests. Create a homemade spray using water, a few drops of dish soap, and a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Spray this mixture on your plants once a week to keep pests at bay. It's safe, effective, and won't cost you much at all. Finally, be patient. Gardening is all about patience and consistency. Keep an eye on your plants, water them regularly, and soon enough, you'll see them thrive. The reward? Fresh, homegrown onions and peppers that taste way better than anything you can buy at the store. And there you have it. Growing onions and peppers at home without breaking the bank is totally doable. Thanks for joining me today, and happy gardening. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips. Catch you in the next video.